Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In the previous video, I forget about to tell you about the settings. So I am making another video so I can show you the setting. And for the new people who are watching this video first time and who come first time in my YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm very weak in English, so I hope, but you will understand the whole rules and strategy that I will show you in the video. So first of all, the strategy is very simple. Only you have to follow the rules. Okay. This one here is something that I have to tell you about this one, and I will show you also my MT4 system. MT4 system is outstanding. Okay, you will find it outstanding. Okay, you have to just follow the rules that I'm telling you in the video. Okay, then when both are green one, you have to follow the buy rules, buy signal. Okay, both should be green one. Okay, then you have to go for the buy trade. Okay, buy trade. Okay, this buy trade. Okay, when this both are red, you have to go for the sell trades. Okay, you can see these are both are green, you can go for the buy trade. Okay, this is the gold 5 minute time frame, and you can see the results. Okay, okay, if you need that system, you can contact me. Okay, I will at the end of the video I will show you the my contact details as well. Okay, this is simple. Okay, at the rate one. Okay, write one at the end because there are some fake telegram channels, so do not join them. Okay. uh, okay, we are talking about this one. And this is it will identify you the trend. Either trend is buy side or sell side, and you have to go for the buy trade and sell trade. Like when this one is green, you can go for the buy trade, but before buy trade you have need to be candle must close. This is actually RSI ribbon. Okay, this is RSI ribbon, this is band lower band line, this is upper band line, and this is middle band line. Okay, and this is identifying the trend, the either the market is going for the buy side and sell side. So when the trend is buy side, you have to follow the buy rules. Buy rules, what are the buy rules? Buy rules are simple. Candle must close ups. You may first you get the signal, you got the signal. The second thing, candle must close upside from the RSI ribbon, like this candle close upside. Okay, let's me show clearly one. Okay, this one you can see clearly go close upside from the RSI ribbon. Okay, this one is your stop loss, it will identify the stop loss. Okay, and then you have need to go for the buy trade, and you can see until you got the signal, you have when you got the signal, you have need to exit your trade. Okay, you got another trade, and you can see you got another profitable. Okay, okay, this one another buy trade if it's profitable, but I told you candle must close upside from the RSI ribbon, so that is wrong conditions. So here you did not get the signal. Okay, that's fine. You can see you got the signal, candle close inside this one. You can go for the buy trade, sell trade, and you can book the profit here. Okay, and let's see some of the results. You can go for the buy trade, you can book your profit here. Okay, and you can go for the sell trade if you need. Okay, that's okay, but the confirmed trades are, let me show you this one. This is the confirmed trade. Just like I said, candle come inside the RSI ribbon, you got the signal, and you got see you will got the profit. There is another trade, and you will see you will get another profit. Okay, this is the perfect trade. Like just like I told you, candle come inside the RSI ribbon, you got the signal, this area should be buy one, then you can go for the buy trade, and it will definitely will give you some amazing profit all the time. Okay, and this one, you got the buy trade, it's perfect trade. No, sorry, this is sell one, so you do not have need to go for the buy trade. Okay, this is the buy trade, but did not get the confirm. Yes, this one is confirmed trade. Just like I told you, candle come inside the RSI ribbon. Yes, true condition, true. You got the signal. Yes, second condition, true. The third condition, it should be a green one, you can see, and at the end you will see the results. Amazing. Okay, and this one is your perfect trade. candle come inside the RSI ribbon, yes, you got the signal. Second condition too, and you can see the results. Okay, and like this one and another, just like I said, you got the signal and the candle come inside the RSI ribbon, yes, conditions are all conditions are true, you got the profit. Okay, and like this one, if you want to go, it will give you small profit. Okay, and like this one, this is the perfect trade, and you can see you got the profit. This is the perfect sell trade, and you got this, you can see you got the profit. This is the perfect trade, you got the profit. Okay, and this is the buy trade. Okay, you got the profit. And let's see. Okay, you got another buy trade, area is green, you can see you got the profit. There is another trade, there is another trade, this one, and you can see you got the profit. Amazing. Okay, there is some sell trade start, and you can see results are amazing. You can see you got the buy trade, it will give you small profit as well. You can see you got the small profit. Okay, and you can see the conditions are true, you will definitely will get some good profit here. You can see you got the profit here. Here this one is amazing trade. Okay, and you will get some good profit, and you can see you got the profit here. Okay, and now this one is amazing, another buy trade, and you can see the results are amazing one. Okay, this is the latest trade, and you can see. Okay, and let's talk about some more pairs like euro USD. Let's talk about the euro USD. Let's see the results in the euro USD. No, actually no trade is here. Okay, this one actually a very good uh, this one actually a very good buy trade, and you got amazing profit. Okay, okay, let's talk about the settings. I have need to show you the setting because in the previous video I forget about the setting. So in this video especially I'm making another video just for the just about for to tell you about the settings. So just go to input, and here you have need to uncheck this one. Okay, and the second thing you have need to uncheck this one, and the third thing here yeah, RSI value should be 95, and that's it, and there is nothing more you can you do not have need to change anything else. Okay, and just okay. And in the simple yoga wave, if you are using 5 minute or 15 minute time frame, then go to setting, and you have to select for 2 hours. Okay, if you are using 5 minute time frame, then you have used to select 1 hour. If you are using 15 minute, then you have need to use 2 hours. Okay, and if you are using 1 hour, then you have need to select and then you have need to select sorry, one day. Okay, okay, that's it I think. And let's talk about, this is simple one, there is nothing complicated, just need to follow the rules that I told you. And one more thing I have need to tell you about this one. Okay, let's talk about this one because this one is amazing one, and you will get consistent profit like this one. This one you can see the both are buy one, and you can see sell signals giving, and sell signals are coming, but you do not have need to go for the sell signal. Okay, and you can see the results are amazing one. Okay, this one, red one, then you can see market goes down. Okay, and you can see market goes up from this point. You can go for the buy trade, and you can book your profit here. You can go another buy trade, and you can book your profit, another buy trade, book your profit, another buy trades, and profitable. All the buy trades are profitable. Okay, and this strategy is awesome, and you can say it's outclass. Okay, and I think that's it. I think I told you all the things. Any query you can ask me, and let me show you. If you need my trading view or MT4 script, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. And this is one more last important thing. These are paid. Okay, just in few dollars you can get my all scripts and MT4 strategy, but just in few dollars, not hundreds of dollars. Okay, just in few dollars you will get my all script and MT4 strategy, MT4, and this is my WhatsApp number +923143402906. and this is telegram at the rate simpleoga1. This is simpleoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my gmail. Okay, any query, any question you can ask me, and for the next video I think, bye bye, take care, and please subscribe my channel. And I put a lot of effort to make these systems, and hopefully you will also like it. And any queries you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.